Welcome back to a new day of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we can see we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the swing structure that we are trading within. Now, from last week, we were saying that this internal trend was pushing price in towards the downside. We were expecting this to hold to push us down to points of some liquidity. However, alongside the geopolitical escalation in Iran, we did see a drive up, breaking this internal structure, creating a nice bullish market. And now we are anticipating that this swing high here is the new target. Hopefully, in the near future, we'll see something like this where we come back down for this point of liquidity to fuel that next drive in towards the upside. So what does that mean for Euro USD? We are very bearish. We've got a daily break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, this price action is slightly less clear, but if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see a little bit more clear. We've had this 4-hour break of structure in towards the downside, swing high, swing low. We've come up and liquidated this high here, retraced in towards that 50% of the fib, and then we've seen the structure change. We had this internal trend pushing price in towards the upside. This then failed with a break and a close below, and then, as we were saying, any retracement is the next opportunity to push price further down. Now, what I did like about this supply zone yesterday is that I believed it was relatively strong because it liquidated this high here to the left, and because of where we are within this overall swing range, it makes sense now just to push that drive down lower to target this week's swing low. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we were looking at yesterday was we had this break of structure down lower, swing high, swing low, looking for a short from this area of supply, as I said in the video. And then if we go down onto the M15, we can see the exact opportunity that we had yesterday. We've come up. For me, this is the break of structure, swing high, swing low. We've come up, we liquidated this high here. This was the demand zone that was in control, which we broke. We tapped back in and we sold off it towards the downside. Now, for me personally, I did actually enter this position, and I'm currently still in. My draw on liquidity is down on the lows. We didn't quite tag that yet, but I am anticipating this to get tapped at any point in the near future. I do anticipate these lows here getting taken out.